What's up, guys? It's been a while since I've done a video, and a lot's been going on. I finally got the windows tinted. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but we'll do it whenever I get out of the car. You're not going to see it too well. But it's 19 degrees currently here in Missouri, and the wind's picking up. It's a little chilly. It's steadily dropping. We're supposed to get life-threatening wind chills tomorrow morning and tomorrow day with a high of like 8 or 4, somewhere around there. So I'd rather do this video now since I just got home from work and the car's cooling off while I've been driving. So I figure I'll do this now. I picked up the antenna was the next mod I was going to do. I never thought about it until I was cruising on Amazon. So I picked up the Stubby by short antenna replacement by Cravenspeed. It was 20 or so bucks off Amazon. There's the part number. And let's see. Oh, ain't that cute. Little 4-inch Stubby antenna. I don't know what that is. Share the vote of your Cravenspeed bars and we'll show it off on our site. All right. Quality checked. All right. And that's actually got a email from this company right after I ordered it, and they told me, they gave me some tips and whatnot, and said, you know, they back their product fully, and if you're not, you know, 100% satisfied, just send it back and get it fixed, or refund your money, or do whatever they can. That's pretty good. It says the Stubby. That's pretty cool. So, I mean, that's pretty easy. Which actually, the other day, went by my buddy's house to show him he wanted to see the car. And he actually, I told him I was going to do this. He actually, my antenna was kind of loose, actually. So, wow. Apparently, there's been notion with reviews saying the reception's better than the radio. I don't use radio. I don't know many people really do anymore. I stream. I don't know about y'all, but that's, you know, Bluetooth. That's the way of the future. So let's see, yeah. I just reached up and this was actually pretty loose. So, all right. Yeah, don't sit that on your car. I don't want to scratch up the paint. And it's just a matter of probably the easiest mod you'll ever do on your car. Give it one nice couple turns, make sure it's nice and snug. There we go. No more. No more liftgate hitting. You can see the difference. How close it was. I'd say definitely worth the 25 bucks. 25, yeah, about 25 bucks with free shipping off Amazon Prime. And again, that is the Stubby Cravenspeed, I believe. I'll grab the box. The part number, yeah. By Cravenspeed. There's part number for you. Well, before on that shot. Here's another thing I did. They actually say focus. These are OEM Ford floor mats for the front and rear. Which you can't really see that one, but I had these in my last Focus, and this new one I should have grabbed. I didn't have my old, and see how dirty it is. I need to vacuum, but that's the reason why I want these over the stock carpet ones, because just Missouri winter, you pick up shit, and I don't want to have to keep cleaning my carpets. So, and plus wearing boots and stuff for work, it's nice to be able to use this instead of the carpet. But I bought these off of Amazon. They say Focus because they're OEM, but in my last Focus I should have taken them out whenever I traded it in, because it had the winter package and it had heated seats and them heated mirrors and those floor mats, but I couldn't find my stock floor mats for it, so oh well. I went with a 15% tint all the way around. It definitely makes the car pop, it changes it. Definitely a must. And the Stubby. Well, that's it for today's video. Real easy to install. You just twist off and twist on. Looks great. It's a neat little mod. It's easy. Probably the easiest thing you'll do. But if you like what you see, hit that like button below. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button. You know, I've got some older videos and there's gonna be some more new ones to come. So if you like what you see, you know, hit subscribe and don't miss out. Later.